G'day all. Today I'm going to be running this TTB V2 and it's going to be driving this old 1950s Empire water pump from America. I did do this up many years ago, resprayed it, and when I took the paint off this, I saw that this was this beautiful bronze water pump. It's a beautiful old pump. It'll be nice to see it going. I have done a few things to this TTB. I've put some ball bearings in the drive shaft here, and also you'll see that red ring around the safety valve, and I did make up some bushings for a filler plug and so a water level, and on this one I put a red ring around it, and I put a blue dot on the top of that one. But let's get some. I've got water in the boiler. There's water in the boiler, so we'll put some metho in the burner. Overflowed that a little bit. That'll be right. The flame will be far enough away, so we'll shove that in there, and I'll come back when that boiler's coming up the boil. Okay, that boiler, I can hear some rumbling in that boiler. So we'll see if we can get. Okay, we're turning. I'll put some water in the Empire. Oh, there we go. What a beautiful old pump these are, these Empires. Absolutely gorgeous to watch them run like this. Absolutely amazing what Trevor used to make down in his small little country shed. A very prolific maker of brass and copper steam engines. paint or blow the flame out on the burner. And then we have a run of one of Trev's TTB V2s and this old 1950s Empire made in America water pump. I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. It's so nice to run one of Trevor's engines, and especially teamed up with a beautiful old pump like this. So as always, thanks for watching and bye for now.